Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could use the function or the formula SUMIF in Excel. So let's begin. In this case, I have this table where names of sales representative are mixed, and I want to see specifically the sum for Jack only. To do so, click in an empty cell, equal sign, type SUMIF, and select the function SUMIF. On first value, we need to select the range. The range, it must be this one, names, is there where Excel will go and check, and quotation marks, and I want specifically for Jack. I put his name between quotation marks, again, comma. Now what value I want Excel to calculate the sum for? Of course, I want for profit. So here I'm going to select the whole cells and hit enter. In this case, Excel has only calculated the sum of values for Jack only. To verify if it's true, you can always add a filter by name or by condition, and check the sum by yourself. 47.04, which is exactly what we have here. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.